Today I am going to discuss one tricky question related to relation function, that is chapter 1 of NCERT Calc Maths. The tricky question implies that let capital R be the relation in the set capital Z of integers given by capital R equal to curly bracket ordered pair AB is to 2 divides A minus B curly bracket code full stop, so that the relation capital R transitive also comma write the equivalent relation of 0. Now come out to solution here. Here it says set Z of integers. Now here I shall define set Z of integers. So here I shall write the set Z of integers. Integers implies that capital Z, open here curly bracket. You know what are the integers? Integers can be negative integers, positive integers, and 0 is counted as positive integers. So here you can type dot -8, -7, -6, -5, like this the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 . Here you can see the set Z of integers implies that Z equal to curly bracket dot -8 comma -7 comma -6 comma -5 0 1 2 3 4 5 it will go. So here you can say negative numbers, here you can say are negative integers, 0 is positive integer, 1 2 3 4 5 these are natural number. All natural numbers are integers. 0 is not natural number, 0 is a whole number, but 0 is counted as positive integer. These are the negative integers. You can see -8, -7, -6, -5. These are the negative integers. What to do next? The set Z I have defined here. Now, capital R is a relation defined as capital R, given that here we shall write given that capital R equal to, open here curly bracket, ordered pair AB is to 2 divides A minus B curly bracket, given that capital R equal to curly bracket ordered pair AB is to 2 divides A minus B curly bracket. This is the relation on the set of integers. So now what to do? What it says, we have to show that the relation capital R transitive. Transitive relation, this relation is transitive, we have to show. So here I shall write for transitive relation, for transitive relation, for transitive relation, imply that here I shall write let small a comma small b comma small c belong to capital Z. Means A, B, C belong to capital Z. So the value of A, B, C can be amongst of these numbers. So here I have written let A, comma B, comma C belong to capital Z. So what you have to establish here? Here it says ordered pair AB. So here I shall write imply that take first ordered pair EB. The ordered pair EB belong to capital R, and now take BC. So the ordered pair BC belong to capital R. So here you can see EB, second letter is B, here first letter. So this B is related to this B, that this B is the same, small b, that will be in common. First letter this A and last C will be related. Let us see how it can be written. So here I can write here. These things are there. So here it says A minus B. So this ordered pair A minus B. So here it says if these things are given there, so here A minus B divides by 2. So here it can become A minus B equal to 2m and B minus C equal to 2n. A minus B, or the ordered pair, from the ordered pair get A minus B. So A minus B, 2 divides A minus B. This means that A minus B is divided by 2. So this will become A minus B equal to 2m. And here B minus C equal to 2n. You can let. So here you can write where m comma n are some constants. Here m and n are constant, then A minus B will be divided by 2. B minus C will be divided by 2. These things are there. What to do in this case? Here I shall write imply that now take A minus B equal to 2m. That will become equation number 1. And now here take B minus C. That will become equation number 2. Now what to do? Here you can write. Now do the operation. Here plus is there, here plus is there. So on adding, minus B plus B will be cancelled out. Here you will get A minus C equal to, here you are getting to add here. So 2 will be in bracket. In bracket it comes out to m plus n. This means that A minus C is divided by 2. So imply that here you can write. A minus C, 2 divides A minus C. So here you can write 2 divides A minus C. This is the condition. So if 2 divides A minus C, 2 divides A minus C, so this will become 2 divides A minus C. So this means that 2 divides A minus C, so then ordered pair will be A minus C belong to capital R. A minus C belong to capital R. This means that if ordered pair AB belong to capital R and ordered pair BC belong to capital R, here I have proved ordered pair AC belong to capital R. This shows that this relation is transitive relation. This shows that this relation is transitive relation. So here you can write, full stop you will write, this shows that capital R is transitive relation. Capital R, this shows that capital R is transitive relation. This thing is there. Now, here I have shown the relation capital R is transitive. Now, come out to next here. Here, we have to write the equivalent class. So, equivalent class, what do you mean by equivalent class? Now, here I shall explain what do you mean by equivalent class. So, here, 0, the equivalent class, here I shall write the equivalence class 0, the equivalent class 0 equal to the set of all members, the set of all members related to Z, all members belong to capital Z. The set of all members belong to capital Z, satisfying the relation capital R. So this is the case I have written, the equivalent class 0 equal to the set of all members belong to capital Z. So जो भी all members, these are the members, all members means these are the members belong to capital Z. So here it said set, you will get set. The set all members will be taken from the set capital Z. Then make the set such that that set will satisfy the relation R. That will be known as equivalent class. So here I shall write 0. 0 all members means if you write in self-builder form, here you can write, open here curly bracket, open here ordered pair. Ordered pair, in the ordered pair, any one of element must be 0. So here I shall write, let small a, here write 0. Here you can see, in ordered pair, first letter A, second letter 0. So here you can write A belong to capital Z. A belong to capital Z. This A should belong to capital Z. A 0 is there, the second element should be 0. Now what will do? Such that 2 divides in bracket A minus 0. Now you have to find members. Now you have to find members. What members will be? Now here the ordered pair A. The A, what value of A will take? What value of A? I can't take 0. 0 minus 0, not defined. That is not appropriate. So what will take 1? If I take here 1, a equal to 1, so 1 minus 0. So 1 is not divided by 2. 1 will not be taken. If you take here 2, so 2 divide 2, that will become correct. Here you can write 2, 0. Again it will become negative, minus 2, negative can become. This is the a, the value of a can be either plus 2 or minus 2. Both will be accepted. Here write 0. Now here you can write what to do. Now here you can write 2 is over. Now get here 3. The 2 divides 3. But 2 divide 3. The 3 is not divided by 2. The 3 will not be taken. If you take here 4, the 4 minus 0 comes out to 4. So 2 divides 4. That is agreed. So here you can write 4, 0, negative integer, minus 4, 0. Like that it will become. Here you can get another, you can get, if you take here 6, 5, that will not take. 5 is not divided by 2. So 5 will be left. If you take here 6, 6 can easily be divided by 2. So here you can write 6, 0. Here you can write minus 6, 0. So on you can take. So now here you can write. Now get the set here. The 0 will be first member. 0 will be first member. Second member will be plus minus 2. Because here you can see plus, here minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. I can write here plus minus 2. The plus minus 2 will be second member. Third member will be plus minus 4. So here you can write plus minus 4. Third member you can write plus minus 6, comma, and so on. So on up to infinite you can write. So the equivalent of class 0 will be member 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. So here you can see 0, 0 minus 0 divided by 2, plus minus 2 divided by 2, plus minus 4 divided by 2, plus minus 6 divided by 2. So all these members belong to capital Z here. And all these members can be easily divided by